this video, we see how to evaluate the nested square root. For example, if we take the problem, evaluate square root of 5 into square root of 5 into square root of 5 and so on infinity. So here we have infinite number of terms. To calculate this infinite number of terms under nested square roots, we have a shortcut, that is square root of a into square root of a into and so on square root of a and so on infinite number of terms. Under product, the value is simply a. So square root of 5 into square root of 5 and so on infinite terms, the value is simply 5. Now here we have infinite number of terms, the value is a. Suppose if we have finite number of terms, for that we have another shortcut. Now take an example, evaluate square root of 5 into square root of 5 and so on n. Here n is the finite number, so here we have finite number of terms. Now to calculate this nested square root value, we have a shortcut, that is square root of a into square root of a into square root of a and so on n terms. Here n is the finite number, then the value is a power 1 minus 1 divided by 2 power n. Here n is the number of terms. Now take an example problem, square root of 5 into square root of 5 into square root of 5 and so on 9 terms. To evaluate this nested square root value, now we use this shortcut, that is a power 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. Here we have 9 terms, that is n equals to 9. So using this formula we get 5 power 1 minus 1 by 2 power 9. So the value of square root of 5 into square root of 5 and so on 9 terms, that is finite number of terms, is 5 power 511 divided by 512.